Hello and Assalamualaikum. A very good evening. My name is Muhammad Azrin Shamin bin Muhammad Razwan. So for this meeting video, I will be the chairman of the meeting. Basically, my role is to be a leader of the team. My job is to understanding the flow of the program so that the program will run smoothly. If there are uncertainty about the program or any issues, I will lead the meeting until we find an agreement of the decision meeting so that the objective of the meeting is fully achieved. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all of you. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Mariam binti Muhammad Yusof. I has my role as a member secretary for this meeting. So my role it will be assist my chairman and also speak out from our discussion on this meeting is about finance planning among the student. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alif Azra Amri. You all can call me Mr. Azra. In this meeting, I am as a community member. And now, stay tuned and let's start the meeting.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh wait, first of all, I want to say sorry to all because for this video, my quality video is very bad because we have some problem like coverage internet is very bad. So I hope you all can enjoy for this video. So let's see the video.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening to all of you. I thank you all for joining the meeting for today. If we are all here, let's start the meeting. First of all, this is a regular meeting of the club's program. And I would like to introduce to all of you that I am your chairman. My name is Muhammad Azrin Shamin. That I will be conducting our meeting today.
Okay.
And then she is our secretary, Miss Mariam. And another one is our committee member, Mr. Azrai. So we are here today to make a decision on the 3 suggestions of the activity that we are conducting in the upcoming program about financial planning among students. And I would like to our committee member to present to us about the proposal. Okay, before we start the meeting, let us open the meeting with a prayer. Al-Fatihah. Amin, 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 ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, so let's see. Miss Mariam, can you read the review of our meeting of the last meeting?
Yes, sure. To begin, I did like to go through the minute of our last meeting, which was held on May 29 to 2020. The first meeting all about the agenda is to decide chairman, committee member and secretary. In this first meeting also, chairman must assign the committee member to get ready with which suggestion of activity to be conducted in the program. The first item is call to order and opening speech, which is the chairman call the first meeting for upcoming program at 10 p.m. and welcome the committee member. Committee member were reminded to make copy of document before meeting and report on recent proposal. Second meeting about finance report. It was report that operational cost total budget expenditure RM 2,800 to spend for the upcoming program of finance planning among student UMT that we are going to handle. The committee must assign which suggestions of activity to be conducted in the program to learn skill. And the last item about adjournment, they be no further business. The meeting was adjourned at 10:30 a.m. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Mariam. Let me take the proposal. Okay. Alright, thank you, Mariam. So we are going to asking our committee member, Mr. Azwan, to present all about the proposal to everyone. So please proceed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Mr. Chairman. Okay, for your information, this project will help students to manage their financial while studying in campus. This will help them to improve their financial, such as control spending habits by not spending too much on their desires instead of their needs. This project aims to increase the number of entrepreneurs among teenagers and produce successful people in financial management. This project among teenagers and produce successful people in financial management. This project also will guide students to become a successful entrepreneur. More jobs will become irrelevant in the future, to making it tough for people to secure jobs. Learn the initial steps before starting a business from a successful entrepreneur. This is important to start or doing business because there is no shortcut to being a successful entrepreneur. To do this, the project provides some steps and tips to achieve it. The project will help students find a business that won't only be successful.
Okay, based on the proposal, wait. Okay. Based on the proposal, I like the objective of the statement because it's very clear and very useful to us and the students in the UMT. Thanks, Mr. Azrai, for explanation.
Okay,
so
welcome.
I would like this program is going very well soon because as we know, there are a lot of issues among students about their financial. So, Mr. Azrai, can you give me 3 suggestions of the activity that to be conducted in this program?
Right. I think I would suggest first is money management is a learned skill. This is because knowledge is power and no one is born understanding how to manage money. And not every parent has a strong financial foundation for kids to learn from at home. Financial planning at the high school level can empower students with skills that their live at home cannot. There are different views
on whether financial planning taught in high school has any lasting effect on money management as children grow into adult. And then suggestion, the sooner education starts, the better, which is one habit form. They are hard to break. If the value of such a program seems uncertain, the direction of students to learn about the financial planning, it can be a hard lesson learned later in life or an empowering one to students who are just starting out.
Excuse me, Mr. Chairman, may I have a word to Mr. Azrai?
Yeah, sure. It will be no problem. Go on.
So, Mr. Azrai,
Yes.
what about what you suggest yearly? Could you explain to us how it is going to suggest that a campaign be had to promote awareness?
I think one of is awareness of the bigger concepts that most adults will face. This is because some programs, such as Money as You Learn, are designed to teach students about concepts such as compound interest, investment risk evaluation, debt management, goal setting, and determining the difference between needs and wants. A student who has learned to better understanding of the total cost when taking on large purchases, and that help them make better choice when faced with those decisions later in life.
Yes, exactly. I think that is a good idea, Mr. Azrai, because I also argue that why finance planning at the higher school level seems like a good idea. In addition, finance planning which additional math in higher school gives students more skill to understand not just how members work, but how they apply to managing money.
Okay, then, Miss Mariam, there are some parts that I do not see clearly about this program. About what you say, how do we attract people to join this program? Why do you think this program is different from the other program?
If I could say, I could just say something here. I think this program is designed specifically for students who want to know the secret of business success. This program is also suitable because the objective of the program are in line with the role of the club. Our club also has on-campus business, and finance status is also very stable and profitable. The club also has the variety of material and requirements for beginners to start their business. So it's not my mistake. We have already almost 200 participants that register for this program too.
Oh, really? That's wonderful news. Alright, this is how I see it too. Okay, for the next section or next suggestion, we are going to report about a recent proposal that I proposed. That our budget there is a slight error. Let me take a look one more time at the budget. So, Mr. Azrai,
Yes.
how about a report, financial that you made? Can you explain?
For the budget expenditure. Okay.
Yes.
Wait. Okay. For the budget expenditure or finance planning for this program, first we have source of income for this program. First, we get sponsor donation from PPHKP about 500 ringgit, and we also have provision from Kelab Pembimbing Rakan Siswa about 150 ringgit, and provision from Kelab Rakan Siswa Yarden also about 150 ringgit Malaysia. And last source of income is from participant fee. So participant fee is RM 10 ringgit for one person. So we have
Oh, sorry. How much do you take for one person?
10
How much
ringgit.
fee?
10 ringgit for one
10
person.
ringgit. Oh, okay, okay.
So
Go on.
we has 200 participant from participant fee. So we get RM 2,000 ringgit for the participant fee. So the overall total is 2,800 ringgit Malaysia for income. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, for budget expenditure, first we pay for speaker about 150 for 1 hour. So we book speaker for 8 hour. So the cost is about 1,200 ringgit. So next about for participant food, we give bread and mineral water. So for participant food only 2 ringgit Malaysia for one person. So the participant is 200. So the cost is 400 ringgit. And next give the participant we give pen and notebook. Cost only 2 ringgit for one person. Certificate RM 50 cent for one person. So if to 100%, the cost is 500 ringgit. And the last is for printing program books. The cost is RM 2 ringgit only for one pieces. So we need 200 pieces. The cost is 400 ringgit. Okay, the total expenditure is 2,530 ringgit Malaysia. And we spend 5% for contingency, about 270 ringgit Malaysia. So overall total is same like we get the income is 2,800 ringgit Malaysia. That's all about the budget.
Okay, so the participant will get bread and mineral water.
Yes.
And for
Certificate.
they will get another gift like pen and notebook. Okay, I like that.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Azrai. Okay, Miss Mariam. So how about our budget from PPHKP? Any information from you? Can you tell us?
Oh yes, I have a very good news to all of you because I just got email from our sponsor from Badam Plaza and also from PPHKP to support our program that we are cooperation with them. As we know that I am glad to inform also our proposal is approved. So we are planning that our program will be had on 20 September to 2020. That location is at PSNZ Auditorium, University Malaysia Terengganu, which is almost 200 students that register.
Okay. So I want to ask all of you, Miss Mariam and Mr. Azrai, are you agree that the program will be held on 20 of September and the location is at the PSNZ Auditorium? Are we all
Yes.
agree on that?
Yes.
What?
Do we all agree on that?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Mr. Chairman.
So if everyone agree, I see no objection. So to that, so since the proposal is approved, it is decided that Mr. Azrai, our committee member, will lead that our program soon. I hope we can provide information for students to venture into business at a young age. Also, it can change the perception of students that financial issues cannot be underestimated as they can impact the future, and it emphasizes to students the importance of financial planning at a young age. So, Miss Mariam, you are.
Sorry for interrupt, Mr. Chairman. I
yes.
think that we have a slight mistake about participants' vote because based on budget, we assume to give bread and mineral water is not properly if related with which participant feel that they invest to join. Do you see what I mean, right?
Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
Ahmad?
Yes, yes. I feel the same way to Miss Mariam. One more thing, I think our program almost one day from morning morning until evening.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Well, I agree with both of you. I think that is an appropriate action to take. We should give more to them. So, Miss Mariam, can you take note for the error?
All right, Mr. Chairman.
No, Mr. Hassan.
Okay. Well, I look at the budget first, and then we continue. Okay. So can we continue?
Yes.
Are you all feel
Yes,
any
sir.
desires?
All right, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, I have.
Then how about booking the place that we are going to be held on 20 September?
Mr. Chairman, we have been first booked before this, but unfortunately, PSNZ also booked from other people for major universities program, so I had no choice to change it.
Oh, really? But sorry, for this we knew because I do not know about the major program under University Malaysia Terengganu. Maybe Miss Mariam can replace to the another venue because we had to run in our program based on we plan before this.
Alright. So, Miss Mariam, I
Yes.
suggest you can go to book at the Audi Mujidin immediately before another program is. Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes. All right.
Okay.
I just.
It's alright, Mr. Azrai. So Miss Mariam also can take note with the action, and do not forget to reminder to all of our students about the announcement. Before this, the venue will be held on the PSNZ, and now we change it to the Audi Mujidin, right?
Yes, right, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Then how about the order with our supplier for food and beverage to give them? Have you confirmed with supplier, Mr. Azrai?
Oh, yes, Mr. Chairman. About the food and beverage, participants and VIP, I already booked from Kasing Selamat. But we don't pay any deposit, and I will confirm with him about the new date.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Azrai. About the deposit, you can directly contact with Miss Mariam because she handles the club.
Alright, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Before we end this, is there
You can
anything else?
direct to me, Mr. Azrai.
Okay, Miss Mariam.
She has a lot of money. Okay. Okay. Before we end the meeting, is there anything else to discuss, or would you like to add anything else? Why don't we start with Miss Mariam?
So far, nothing to say. Then how about Mr. Azrai? Do you want to say anything else before our chairman close our meeting today?
Okay, for me, to you, nothing to say, but nothing to say, Miss Mariam.
Okay. Alright. I hope that this program will give all the benefit. The participant or we also will have the benefit of the program. I hope that the program will be had smoothly. Okay. So yes.
I hope to.
Let's all do our best for the program. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So let's bring this
Inshallah.
to a close for today. That's all for today. Thank you and Assalamualaikum all. Thank you very
Waalaikumsalam
much
warahmatullahi
for joining the meeting.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and selamat Hari Raya semua.
Minute